Good afternoon. It is Wednesday afternoon, and we're going to do the cardiovascular system today. I am Coach Kim, and this is our fourth video on the body systems. I find it very important for everyone to know a little bit about the body. None of us have really maybe gone through classes in a long time, but to understand the basics of your body systems is very important. So, as I've said in the past couple videos, if you know how your body works, you can take care of your body and really make it work for you, because it was designed to sustain life. We just need to feed it what it needs and give it some more movement. So we're going to talk about the cardiovascular system. This is your heart, your veins, and your arteries. So your heart has two sides to it, your right and your left. The right side is your deoxygenated lung or water or blood. And then the right side is your oxygenated blood. So as your heart pumps blood out the right side to the lungs, that's where the oxygen transfer happens, and then oxygenated blood comes back through the left side and then gets pumped out to your body. And as it goes out to the extremities and different areas of your body, it delivers oxygen. It also brings back waste products that then your body eliminates. And then the deoxygenated blood comes back through the right side of your heart. And it's interesting. Your heart itself is its own muscle. Cardiac muscle is one of the three types of muscle, so it's a different type of muscle. But understand, it itself is a muscle. So that's the important for your cardiovascular exercise. It helps your heart pump efficiently. It helps pump the blood through your veins, delivering the oxygen. One thing to understand is when you're exercising, what your body does internally. There's a lot of questions on what should I do for warm-up? Should I stretch? What are the activities that I should do? And it's really important. I've taught group fitness for 30 years, and we used to stretch, and then we would go into the warm-up, and then we'd go on to our class. But a long time ago, we stopped doing the stretching, and we just started the exercising. Now, it wasn't at a high level. It was 10 minutes of warm-up, so it was similar movements that we were going to do during the class, activities, getting the arms and legs moving. The important thing is you get your heart pumping, you get the blood moving, because what your body does during warm-up is it takes blood from your organs and distributes it out to your muscles, because your muscles are going to need that oxygen for exercise. That's the energy. As you're exercising, there's more blood in your muscles to deliver the oxygen so you can have that energy production. So it's interesting how your body, like I said, really knows what to do. And as you go through your day, your CEO of your body, which is your brain, controls a lot, everything actually, what goes on inside of you. So as you're exercising, you've got the blood in your extremities, and the blood is pulled away from your organs. Now, the importance of cool down is the opposite, that your heart rate comes down slowly, and then the blood gets redistributed to the internal organs. Keeping in mind that your brain is an organ, and your brain also has a little bit of blood taken away from it. That's why when we get done exercising, when people just stop, your heart rate will come down quite quickly, and so does the force of the blood. And then your cardiovascular system slows down, and it can't get the blood sometimes as fast out of the muscles back to the organs. So as you're doing your exercises, if you totally stop, you leave blood in your muscles, and then it struggles a little bit to get the blood back to the organs. When you faint, a lot of times, that's the reason, is if you stop and you put your head down, that's because blood has been redistributed out to those muscles. So it's important to do your warm-up, and it's important to do your cool-down, so that your cardiovascular system can do what it was intended to do in delivering that energy-producing nutrients to your muscles as you're going through your performance. And keeping in mind, the cardiovascular system is just one of two systems. We're going to talk about the lymphatic system later. That's another system that takes waste products and processes them out of the body. But your cardiovascular system does that too. So as it's returning the oxygenated blood, not only does it eliminate the carbon dioxide, there's other waste products that your cardiovascular system takes care of. So it's important to exercise and keep that heart pumping. Another thing to know is we have a whole bunch of different types of cells that go through our body throughout the day. Pain, we talked about this in the nervous system section. Pain is an indicator to your brain to send the repair cells. So I compare this to the emergency system within our body. So if you have pain, your brain registers and sends the EMS to that location. That's where we get the swelling. There's actually repair cells in us, and it's carried through the blood system. And you carry about 5 liters of blood. It's really important, as that's the reason why when you're giving blood, they usually give you, unfortunately, cookies, but they give you instructions to not exercise because your body will take a couple days to recoup that blood. And then that's, again, it's your energy source, and it can substantially change the rest of your day. So keep working out, keep moving, keep that heart pumping, keep the blood moving. And the other benefit of exercise, not only is it the cardiovascular system keeps the blood moving, it also helps throughout your digestive system and helps your body just function and act like it's supposed to. So all your systems complete their functions and then also join together to keep you healthy. So that is your cardiovascular system from Coach Kim. I'll be back on Friday, and we'll be talking about the lymphatic system. And the lymphatic system looks almost similar to the cardiovascular system. It goes out to the limbs, and it comes back, but has a different function. So keep moving, keep keeping that heart strong, and we'll see you back here on Friday for the lymphatic system. Have a good day.